Bringing a meal from home has other benefits besides an automatic 5-star review from you. 2. It can save you money. Plus, a reusable lunch box or bag means less waste than using a single-use brown or plastic bag for toting your food.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best lunchboxes 2022. So let's get started. Number 5. Hydro Flask Insulated Lunchbox. If you already trust Hydro Flask's reusable water bottles to keep your drinks cold, you'll be glad to learn that the brand's lunch boxes boast that same powerful insulation. In fact, Hydro Flask's large insulated lunch box features 2 layers of insulation to keep your food perfectly chilled for hours. Plus, this durable design holds up to countless outings like the brand's trademark bottle. Available in 4 exterior colors, the lunchboxes also feature fully lined interiors that can be wiped down and cleaned easily, as well as a zippered pocket for utensils and an ice pack. Number 4. MIER Adult Lunchbox. If you've ever opened a brown bag lunch to find your food sadly squished or crushed, you know how unappetizing it can be. Fortunately, you won't have to fear that particular mealtime surprise with this stellar selection. The MIER Adult Lunchbox features 2 large main compartments that provide plenty of space, as well as the ability to separate your cold drinks and hot food. Our tester notes that it can fit a full day's worth of food, not just lunch with space left over. The BPA-free liner allows you to store all your grub safely. It also includes exterior compartments with unique functions, and the exterior's tear-resistant Oxford fabric comes in a variety of patterns. Number 3. CTSZOOM Self-Cooking Electric Lunchbox. Perfect for those who don't have access to a microwave to warm their food, an electric lunchbox is an excellent multitasking option. In addition to transporting meals, it can also warm and even cook food. Electric lunchboxes boast heating components that eliminate the need for a microwave or oven to enjoy hot food. Our favorite option features 2-layered, high-temperature resistant food containers, so you'll have plenty of space. It can be plugged into a nearby outlet so you can enjoy a warm meal right at your desk. Number 2. TRAVELISIMO Electric Lunchbox. Here is our top pick for you. This electric lunchbox has a compact design and lets you warm food in the shortest time. Connect it to your car to heat food with the 110V plug. This lunchbox is suitable for heating up in your car or truck and keep food warm for a long time. Number 1. 12V Electric Heated Lunch. Carrying this electric lunch box feels like carrying an oven wherever you go. But this time, a portable oven. Have your meals fresh even if you can't cook at home with this electric lunchbox. The unique design lets you it in 3 different easy ways. That was our list of the top 5 best lunchboxes 2022 just for you.